we'll go into the definition of AI, and we'll take John McCarthy as a founder, as a first founder, one of the founders. We'll know what contribution he has done, and we'll go to the who has coined the artificial intelligence term. So John McCarthy, he was a professor at computer science at Stanford University. The man who coined the term artificial intelligence and subsequently went on define the field for more than 5 decades. Like 50 years he was working on artificial intelligence. So if we study him, what he has done, so he is the key source person, whatever work he has done on AI. So his contribution to AI is like it's insane. So John McCarthy is one of the founding father of artificial intelligence. He is like he has dedicated his 5 decades, his 50 years. He's dedicated his life to AI. Okay, so let's go. Then Alan Turing, Alan Newell, Herbert A. Simon, Nadal Rockstar, Khaled E. Shannon, all these coined the term artificial intelligence. In a proposal that they wrote for the famous Dartmouth conference in summer 1956. This conference started AI as a field. So this is just overview of John McCarthy's how he, like John McCarthy, September 4th, he was born on September 4th, 1927. October 24th, 2011, he left this world. It is American computer scientist and cognitive scientist. So let's see what he has done, the major things he has contributed to AI. McCarthy was one of the founders of the discipline of artificial intelligence. He co-authored the document called Coined the Term Artificial Intelligence, developed Lisp programming language family. Lisp is the first language for artificial intelligence. It is it is the language of AI. Significantly influenced the design of ALGOL program language, popularized time sharing, and invented garbage collection. Like garbage collection is it is like in memory they did the segmentation and made it more optimized. So he has worked on that also. McCarthy spent most of career at Stanford University. He received many honors, okay, such as 1971 Turing Award. It is a Nobel Prize in Turing Award is Nobel Prize for computer scientists. Okay, so for his contribution to the topic of AI. Then the United States National Medal for Science, and also Japanese prize he got for Kyoto Prize. It is also one of the highest prize for when you do an original research. So it is a Japanese prize. McCarthy championed mathematical logic for artificial intelligence. He mathematical logic is the study of logic within mathematics, of mathematics. Like it's knowledge of knowledge. So you need to it's knowledge of knowledge. You need to have knowledge of knowledge. Okay, so advice tracker, logic program, ALGOL 60, garbage collection. He then became involved with developing international standard ISO, which is known as ISO 2009, all these standards. International Federation for Information Processing. He helped to motivate the creation of Project Mac at MIT. So then Stanford University, he helped establish the Stanford AI Laboratory, for many years a friendly revival to Project Mac. So he has contributed to Project Mac. Mac also contributed to Stanford AI Laboratory at Stanford University. McCarthy was instrumental in creation of three of the very earliest time sharing system, which is compatible system sharing systems, BBN time sharing system, Dartmouth time sharing system, and major publications done by John McCarthy. So our gratitude to John McCarthy, because he is our founding father of AI and he has dedicated 50 years to this subject. So we'll go deep into what John McCarthy, Alan Turing, other people who have contributed to AI in this series of No Artificial Intelligence. Thank you so much. We'll meet in next section, which is like definition of AI, and then we'll go deeper. We'll cover all the concepts eventually. So thank you so much. Thanks.